Good morning. This is Mrs. Lee, your Scholars English teacher from YMLA. And this message is intended to give you an update regarding your Scholars grade for the second 6 weeks. This is the third week of the second 6 weeks. So this is the third week of the second 6 weeks, and as of Thursday, October 7th, your scholar is currently failing one of his A classes. Please review your scholar's grades and focus by logging into the parent portal or by your scholar logging to the FWISD apps, also known as ClassLink. Your scholar has until Thursday, October 14th by 3:30 to complete any assignments and turn them in. If you have any questions regarding your scholar's grades or efforts that are being made towards refining their grade, please contact that individual teacher by email. If you are unable to contact that teacher by email, you may also contact them by Focus Messenger. I hope this message finds you well, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.